You should have seen the way that you bloom. I think I saw your face in the moon. I promise I'll be with you as soon as I find a way up.
Good morning. I decided I'm gonna vlog my day today. Just cause. So here it goes. I realized when I get up and kind of put a little makeup, put some nice clothes on, I feel more alive and I feel a little better. So the reason I'm vlogging is because I woke up a little bit, I don't know, not in a bad mood, but like just kind of blah. And I want to be energized and I want to be happy, so.
You should have seen the way that you bloom. I think I saw your face in the moon. I promise I'll be with you as soon as I find a way up. Yeah. 'Cause you're farther than a kiss on the phone. There's things about you I'll never know. I hope that one day we'll be in love when you're not far away. You really make me wanna fly. Cross my heart and hope to die. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night. When I go to sleep at night. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night. I finally know the reason why, yeah. I'm never really satisfied, yeah. Waking up in paradise, yeah. Without you by my side. Imagine I walk through your doorway. Imagine skipping all the
Okay,
foreplay.
so that was
Imagine
super delicious. I'm making the rest of the batter. And then I guess I'll eat it because what else am I gonna do? So I already feel like 200% better than when I woke up this morning. I feel like this is how I have to fight my mood sometimes because I'll wake up and I just like wouldn't be at my 100%. And I wouldn't know why. And it's sometimes because like the way your chemicals are in your brain in the morning, or like how my chemicals are in the morning. So I have to kind of wake myself up and do something fun and productive and wait till I'm getting happier. So I think I'm going to drink some tea and I'm gonna read my book, and then I'm gonna head over to Vegeta's Cafe to take some photos of his French toast, talk to him for a little bit, and then we'll see what's next.
you really make me wanna fly. Cross my heart and hope to die.
These flowers are.
Lonely,
I'm almost there.
I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night.
So pretty. Such a cute little cafe. Right now it's 3:38 p.m. and I'm full on studio mode right now with my clay and my miniature stuff, so I'm really excited. I'll show you what's going on here. I'm trying to make a toad this size. So I made the toad's eyes And I made it a little shiny with some gel manicure. Hopefully I'll be done with some stuff so I can get to filming by today or maybe tomorrow. So we'll see. I'm really liking this social media break. It's making me so creative and helping me to move on to other creative projects that I've been thinking about, other than the ones that I'm like doing pretty much full time. Let me show you what I'm doing. I made a little kitchen where the oven door opens up. Bam! And then you have a little baking sheet. And I'm gonna have this toad guy bake some cookies onto this baking sheet. So I made this setup maybe at least a month ago, and I was kind of putting off doing the stop motion for a month because I couldn't predict how long this was gonna take. And to be honest with you, I have this fear of wasting time. So every time I'm about to start like a big project like this, I feel like I'm gonna waste time by making a mistake or like making something that I don't want to use. This is milk, by the way. Some milk. Anyways, I have this fear of messing up, so that's kind of what prevents me from starting. But today I finally made some room for myself by going off TikTok and Instagram. This is the toad that I'm gonna make. Inspiration was obviously from Frog and Toad. So I drew about the right size that I want. And this is probably the height of the kitchen, and this is the height of the toad. So I have to make a toad this height, which means it's probably gonna be about this thickness. And I need quite a bit of mass. So I will fill that mass with colors that I'm not gonna use that much, like this neon orange. I probably will not use unless it's in small quantities. So I'll fill it with those, and then I'll cover it up with the green that I am in shortage of. Okay, so I'm gonna put them in here. I'm gonna put the eyeballs in here. So bam, I'm done. I'm done. Let's have you smile a little bit more. Done. Oh, and I'm almost done. With the toad. I think I should take a break. I don't want to touch anything with these hands because they are dirty with clay. So I'm gonna wash my hands. I'm gonna relax a little bit, maybe read and continue. So I was gonna take a nap, but I'm hungry, so I'm gonna make some food and then take a nap. Not gonna lie, when I started making dinner, I was kind of starting to feel like down a little bit again. think I'm going through this mood wave. I woke up kind of down, and then I felt better, and then I was making my little clay thing, and then now I'm like coming down. I don't know. It's kind of been like a pattern. Sometimes when I'm home alone and I don't really talk to anybody except for like texting, I go through these like mood swings. But as long as I acknowledge it, and it kind of helps to talk about it and acknowledge that, oh, I am having a mood swing and it's okay. I'll get back to the other side real soon. It helps me. So I like already feel better. Maybe I needed some food. Maybe I was hungry. Now that the food is hitting me, I'm feeling a little better. At least my chapchae is really good. Alright, it's 11:45. I'm going to wash up, remove my makeup, brush my teeth, and then go to sleep. I feel like it was a pretty good day. I feel a lot more replenished, re-energized, kind of with a fresh perspective, and excited to do my new project on my clay work. I also didn't record this, but I was practicing singing, which I haven't done in a while. That was pretty exciting. So those are some good things. Some bad things were my mood swings. Also, I wanted to have sort of like an important conversation with a friend. I'm not sure if I said everything I wanted to say. I was holding back a little bit because I wasn't sure if I was at my 100% in what I meant to say, which I think is a good thing that I did hold back. It's always better to be careful with my words rather than just to blurt it out. Like a couple of days of not saying what I want to say is not going to make a difference until I have something clear in my mind. So that's one way to look at it, because I was feeling a little bad about not like having a perfect conversation in the moment, but yeah, so I feel okay about it. I think I can sleep and sleep on the issues. So now I'm gonna remove my makeup, maybe do some skincare, and let's get started.